was because I've noticed the way you've been watching me all night.
I saw that
Okay, cut!
too. Sharp.
Yeah? What's that?
Very astute.
Oh, she did.
Astute. Astute.
That's smart.
That means smart. Whew. Is that how y'all talk in Arizona? That wasn't very smart. Huh, all right. Your job is to find this missing mariachi. I have a question for you. Do you know what a mariachi looks like?
Yes, I do.
And what would that be?
Big.
A handsome mariachi like what?
Like the gentleman up there.
That's a maraschino.
Paulino!
Paulino.
I noticed the way you've been watching me. A handsome man like me. Not that ugly one. Thank you. All right. Very stupid. Your job is to find this missing mariachi, bring him back down so we can finish the rest of the show. Do you think she can do this?
Yes! Her name is Joanna.
I don't know.
Here, I got an idea, Andrew.
What's the idea?
Why don't we have this whole astute crowd help her find this trumpet player?
Do trumpet player? All right. All right, what do you want the audience to do?
On the count of three, we need to hear a big hey!
A big hey. A big hey. All right. From you and the audience, okay? All right. A big hey on three. Ready? Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, hey!
Oh, man. No, I don't find anyone like that. We're going to try that one more time, okay? All right. Loud.
Here we go.
Loud. Okay. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, hey!
Hey, now that's your cue to find this missing mariachi. Hold on, right quick. 1, 2, 3, hey! Good. Better. Much better. Here we go. A little louder. 1, 2, 3, hey! That's good. Listen carefully. Oh, there he is! Go get him, Tiger. Go get him. No, you're gonna go get him. Come on. All the way to the top. Okay, here we go. All right. There she goes. There she goes.